everybody, this is Dave at Marathon Coach. Going to show you today our switch groups in the coach and how they work. I'm in a new coach here at the galley switch group. I'm going to show you how to dim the lights. If we go to the galley light switch here, everything's bright right now, but if I press and hold this switch, the galley lights are dimming down slowly, and they will go all the way down to a certain point like that, and then every time I turn them on and off at this point, they'll come back to that brightness, the dimmed down brightness. If I want to brighten them back up, I'm going to press and hold that same switch again, and now they're bright again. Generally, most all the lights in the coach are dimmable like that. And so I'm going to take you back here to the bedroom, and we're going to show you a few more functions. So now here we are in the bedroom. We've got all the lights in the coach on. The accent lights, the ceiling panels, the under counter lighting like right here, even back in the bathroom. Everything's on. You can hit one switch like this and everything goes off. If I turn master lights back on, only the ceiling lights in the coach come on. So that if you've been away from the coach all day and you come up in the entryway there's master light switches up there at the entryway too, in several different places. So you come up into a dark coach, you can hit one switch and have ceiling lights on throughout the whole coach. We can turn on all the other lights. There's a bunch of them here. Ceiling panels. Even the ceiling panel lights up here are dimmable. So I'm pressing and holding that switch and they're going dim, and they'll go down to a certain point. Turn them on and off, come back to that brightness. Same thing as I showed you before. If I press and hold it again, it's a lot of light up there. So that's how generally the lights in our coaches work. You can even work them on the iPads. And then one last feature that we have in our coaches is these switch groups. When you go to bed at night, you may not want these on very bright. So you got several options here. If I press and hold the switch lights button, now the switch group itself is dimming down, and it's down to a very faint glow. So you can do with that, so if you wake up in the middle of the night, you can still actually see them. Or I'm going to brighten it back up. I can just turn the switch group off, so that if I turn all these lights off, the switch group is not backlit. That's how the switch groups in our marathon coaches work. Thanks for watching.